Have you ever wondered how to make the perfect old-fashioned? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of classic cocktails, and our star of the show is the timeless old-fashioned. This cocktail is a true classic, a blend of simplicity and flavor that's been savored for over 2 centuries. The old-fashioned is a cocktail that's both robust and versatile. It's essentially a whiskey cocktail, but there's room for variation. Whether you're a bourbon lover or a rye whiskey enthusiast, both have a place in this cocktail. The beauty of the old-fashioned lies in its simplicity. All you need are a few essential ingredients: your choice of bourbon or rye whiskey, a little sugar for sweetness, some bitters to balance it out, a touch of water, and an orange peel for garnish. So, gather your ingredients and prepare your palate. Now that we know what we need, it's time to get mixing. The art of making an old-fashioned lies in the balance of its simple ingredients. Our first step is muddling. You want to take a sugar cube, a couple of dashes of bitters, and a splash of water. Place them into a mixing glass and muddle them together until the sugar is dissolved. This is the foundation of your cocktail, a sweet yet sharp base that will complement the whiskey. Now let's bring in the star of the show, the whiskey. You'll need 2 ounces of a quality bourbon or rye whiskey. Pour it into the mixing glass with the muddled mixture. The choice of whiskey can greatly influence the taste of your old-fashioned, so choose one that you really enjoy. Once the whiskey is added, it's time to stir. You want to stir gently but thoroughly, combining the flavors without bruising the spirit. This isn't a race. The goal here is to achieve a harmonious blend of the sweet, bitter, and strong elements. Our final step is to strain the cocktail into a glass over a large ice cube. The larger the cube, the slower it melts, keeping your cocktail chilled without diluting it too quickly. And, for the finishing touch, a twist of orange peel. The citrus oils add a fresh note that lifts the entire drink. Just twist it over the glass to release the oils, then drop it in. And there you have it, a perfect old-fashioned, ready to be savored. Making an old-fashioned might seem intimidating, but it's all about simplicity and balance. The key is to muddle sugar with bitters and water, add whiskey, stir gently, strain into a glass over a large ice cube, and garnish with an orange peel. Don't forget, the quality of your ingredients and the precision of your measurements can make or break your cocktail. So there you have it, the perfect old-fashioned decoded. Next time you're in the mood for a classic cocktail, remember, the perfect old-fashioned is just a few simple steps away.